Hello everyone, this is Abibi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel called The Fashion Aficionado. Here I talk about lifestyle, fragrances, fashion. If this is your first time here, please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can get notified anytime I upload new content. So today's review is going to be an Air Jordan sneaker review. Let me just run you through a slight history of the Air Jordan. So the Air Jordan line is under the Nike brand, and it was the Jordan 1, the first Jordan 1 was released in 1984 exclusively for the 6-time Hall of Fame superstar Michael Jordan. Then in 1985 it was released to the public. So ever since we've had different colorways, different variations. We had like from Jordan 1 to like Jordan 25, or don't quote me on that, but we've had so many Jordans, so many colorways over the years. But one issue I've always had is I've always loved Jordans, and I never seem to I've never been able to decide on which color to actually get. But when I came across this colorway, I was like, oh, okay, I think now is the time to cop one. But one fear again I have about Michael Jordan 1s are, once you start getting them, you might not stop. Because I have friends that have different variations of the Jordan 1s. Like once they get one, see another one like it, buy, see another one like it, which is not necessarily a bad thing if you're a sneakerhead. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into this. So this is called the Air Force One. What am I saying? This is called the Jordan 1 Midnight Navy. So this was originally released in Tokyo. Then it was originally released in Tokyo in 2001, but it was exclusively for Japan. Then it was brought back in 2020 and was released everywhere. So this was released in October of 2020. So yeah, we are not too late to the party. So let's get right into the unboxing. Yeah. So I still have it here. Let's do this. Man, let's get ready for the unboxing. This is my first time seeing it live. I've actually seen I've done a lot of research on it, but so we have this protective foam here. Throw the box away. Yeah, so you have the Nike written here. Yeah, so you have the Nike here, Nike written here. What else? You have the size here. Size 11, 45 in Europe, 10 in UK. Yeah. I'm throw this away. So this actually has like the Jordan 1 so this comes in the highs, the mids, and the lows. So this is an high top actually, this is the high. So Midnight Navy. This is actually my first time. I'm excited, guys. Then I think this is a gift card. This is a Louis Vuitton traveling bag. I don't know what this is doing here. This is actually a letter from the CEO. Okay. So I'm so excited, guys. Drum roll. Wow. Wow. This is lovely. You see, guys? Yeah, so this is the Midnight Navy. You can see the color. So this has the blue, white, and the metallic colorway. And it actually has the StockX verified authentic tag here. So let's look at this shoe. Then it comes with two laces. So it comes with a navy blue lace, and also the white lace. So I think the white laces will go better with this. The white lace will go better with. So this, neutral it. So you can see this. So this actually has a soft suede feel. Then this has a very, very nice leather material, very nice leather feel to it. Right, this is so lovely. Then you can see the toe here, the usual design. The sole is the classic Jordan 1 sneaker. It has this very authentic feel to it. Like, this is so soft. Like, this leather is a very, very nice leather. I wish you guys can see it very well. And this is the tongue. You have the Nike here. Then here you see, like what I said, it was first released in 2001 in Japan. Then it was released in 2020. Wow. This is really, really nice. Really, really lovely. And then the Jordan logo here too is really nice. Feels like hard plastic, sort of. That's really lovely. Thank you. And one thing about this is it's quite versatile. You can wear it on a white shirt, blue, any shade of blue can go on this. Black can go on this. If you have gray too, it can go on this. Yeah, this is really, really lovely. Symbols. Then the side. So I'm going to try it out with it blue and the white lace and see how it goes. But I have a strong feeling the white lace is going to look much better. And the stitching is pretty. It's pretty neat. It was a very good stitch. Now the sole too is solid. So yeah guys, let me know what you feel about this. You thinking of getting this? Seriously, I can't wait to try this on. I'm really not sure how they're gonna crease where you bend. Damn, bro. As time goes on, I think we're gonna see. It's a really lovely shoe. And it has this soft foam in it too. Yeah, can't wait to try this on, seriously. Yeah, welcome back. Thanks for watching this video to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed yourself. I actually enjoyed myself recording this video too. Let me know, guys, in the comment section below, which color of lace do you think goes better on this shoe? To me personally, I think it's the white. But let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below, and let me know if you guys actually are gonna get this, or you can get it. If you don't like it, return it. It's, yeah, but it's pretty nice, and I can't wait to see what clothes I can actually wear with this. Yeah, we'll wait and find out. Yeah, thanks a lot, guys, and I'm gonna drop the link to the website where I got this shoe from in the description section below, so you can watch out for that. What else? Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I really appreciate you guys. Stay safe out there, and please don't forget, subscribe, like, share, hit the notification bell so that I can get notified anytime I upload new content. Stay safe out there. Peace.